Let's discover the golden principles that paved the path to wealth and prosperity. Today, we dive into the secret money-saving rules that self-made millionaires never break. Welcome to AJ's Info, the place where you build career and reach new heights of success. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to join the wealth-building community. Let's get started. Self-made millionaires understand the value of money. They know that every penny saved is a penny earned. They live by the rule, save first, spend later. They prioritize building their wealth over immediate gratification. Automation is a powerful tool for saving money. Self-made millionaires often automate their savings and investments. A portion of their income is automatically diverted to savings or investment accounts before they can spend it. These successful individuals follow the rule of paying themselves first. Before they spend on their wants, they ensure their savings account gets its due. It's not about how much money you earn, but how much you save and invest that makes the difference. They also have a clear understanding of the difference between assets and liabilities. They believe in owning more assets and fewer liabilities. Their mantra is to invest in things that grow in value rather than depreciate. Another rule self-made millionaires live by is to avoid debt. They understand that debt can be a roadblock to financial freedom. They strive to live within their means and avoid unnecessary expenses that can lead to debt. They also know the power of a budget. They plan their finances meticulously and stick to their budget. They monitor their income and expenses closely to ensure they are always in control of their money. Self-made millionaires don't just save, they wisely invest. They understand that investing is the key to wealth multiplication and achieving financial freedom faster. Self-made millionaires also understand the power of investing. They invest their money wisely, understanding that it's a tool that can help them grow their wealth. Millionaires understand the importance of diversifying their investment portfolios. They spread their money across various asset classes, reducing risk and increasing the potential for growth. Diversification helps protect their wealth and allows them to seize opportunities in different markets. They realize the potential of compound interest and make it work in their favor. They also value financial education. They never stop learning about money management, investment strategies, and financial planning. They are always looking for ways to improve their financial literacy and skills. They also believe in diversification. They spread their investments across various asset classes to minimize risk. Self-made millionaires are proactive about understanding and utilizing tax benefits. They work with financial advisors to structure their investments and income in ways that minimize their tax liabilities legally. Self-made millionaires also have a long-term financial vision. They set financial goals and work relentlessly towards achieving them. Self-made millionaires are disciplined when it comes to impulse purchases. They resist the temptation to buy items on a whim and instead carefully consider whether a purchase aligns with their financial goals. They understand that wealth creation is a journey, not a destination, and patience is key. Their disciplined approach to money management, frugality, and strategic investments has allowed them to build and preserve their wealth. Self-made millionaires are skilled negotiators. They don't settle for the first price they're offered when making significant purchases. Whether it's negotiating a salary, haggling for a better price on a car, or seeking discounts on services, they actively work to get the best deals. Building wealth is a gradual process. Self-made millionaires understand that they won't become rich overnight. They stay patient and committed to their financial goals, avoiding impulsive decisions that could maximize their long-term success. The most important thing, self-made millionaires respect money. They understand that money is a tool that can provide comfort and security. They manage their money with care and make informed decisions about how to use it. Which of these millionaire-approved money-saving rules are you ready to implement in your life today? Share your choice in the comments below, and let's start your journey to financial success together. These are the secret money-saving rules that self-made millionaires never break. Start implementing these rules in your life today and build your path towards financial freedom. Remember, it's not about how much money you make, but how you handle it that determines your financial destiny. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the video. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. See you in the next video. Take care.